Grizzly bears are more than just powerful animals. They are a symbol of Canada's wild spirit and natural pride. From the Rocky Mountains to the vast northern forests, grizzlies represent strength, resilience, and balance in nature. They remind us that Canada is still home to untamed wilderness, where nature rules freely. These majestic animals play a vital role in the ecosystem by maintaining healthy forests and wildlife populations. Their presence tells us that the land is alive and thriving. For indigenous communities, the grizzly bear holds deep cultural and spiritual meaning, symbolizing wisdom, courage, and respect for nature. Protecting grizzly bears means protecting Canada's identity, environment, and future. When we preserve their habitat, we preserve the soul of our country. That is why